Welcome to Indigene. Let's go take a look around. Well, we hope you enjoyed the quick tour of Indigene's grounds. As you can see, it is a beautiful place. Fall is magical up here, and they are our Perk partner for this fall. So if you book a stay with us between September and November of 2020, we're going to have a gift card so you can pick up a growler of cider, bring your family or friends or whoever you're coming up to stay with, pack a picnic lunch, enjoy the surroundings, and then head on up the rest of the mountain to Dogwood Digs. We look forward to having some of you stay with us this fall in the Sierras. Have a great day.